Hello there, everybody. My name is Matthew Kessie, and I'm a practical mystic, which means I spend a lot of time communing with nature in a variety of different locations. Today, I'm in Seattle at the Washington Park Arboretum, which is one of my favorite places because it's near my home. And I'm here to help you make meditation in the natural world easy and fun. When we hear the word meditation sometimes, especially if you're not practiced in the art of meditation, it may seem like a really daunting task to shut down your brain and look within yourself. And I'm here to tell you that with simple and easy steps, you can make a deep nature connection in just a few minutes. And I'm going to show you how today. And one of the ways to start your nature connection is to imagine that you are grounded, that your feet are roots into the ground. So what I want you to do is imagine that your feet are rooted into the ground, and then follow one of the branches of this beautiful rhododendron, and just imagine that you are rooted in the ground, but then the upper part of your body is flowing up with the branches of this rhododendron. It's just going to be for a few minutes, and just see how you feel. There's no right or wrong way to do this. This is just an example of how to connect in the natural world in ways that can be fun and easy. Once again, imagine that you're grounded in the soil here in Seattle with me, and that you're going to choose a path, one of these branches, and just imagine that you're lifting up with your feet still rooted into the ground, and see how that works.